school children will study it as one of the greatest